Hi everyone. First day we go outside from our home in the Philippines. 2 days we not go outside. We just busy in our home. Hi Shaira.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon and we're going to SM right now.
Yeah, we're going to SM Clark. We want to buy paint for bedroom. We want to renovate bedroom. And also our TV is broken. Maybe 8 years TV working. I bought before new TV, before COVID. And now already many lines. I check its motherboard not working. Motherboard is broken. Change motherboard is expensive and need to long time wait from China. That's why we will buy. Maybe today. Saturday, but not so traffic now. Sunset now in Angeles City. Fuel now so expensive. Near our home, diesel is 101 peso for 1 liter. But I already buy full tank before go to Pattaya, before go to Thailand for 47 peso. That's why I have full tank and I can use 600 kilometers. It's maybe for long time if I not go to Manila or not go to province, just only drive in this area only. In Mabalacat, Angeles, I think more than 1 month.
It's okay if we can use motor.
Yes, we can use motor, it's also not a problem. Motor is not expensive. Just only if rainy season, of course, it's not comfortable. But now good weather, not rainy season, sunny days, always, every day. We will check now how many cars in parking. In the same parking. Sunset, but don't have traffic. Usually this type so many cars, many people. We can check inside SM, but in the road not so many cars right now. Maybe because of expensive fuel. Good, so many space in SM parking. Where Shaira? What? Okay. Maybe main gate. You want to faster? Okay.
Because it's near our
Where? I think it's near main gate. This is parking is valid. It's 120. Oh, already 120 before 100. 1 day. Yeah, take a look. Saturday evening. Not many cars in SM. I expected today maybe so many cars and they need to go to metal parking. But if I buy TV, it's not easy to go to the metal parking to put in the car TV. I hope have TV today. Share a long time not use vape. In Thailand not allowed. I hope in the Philippines soon also not allowed. I want. You can use candy only. Anti-stress candy, Shaira. Yeah, what problem? Candy the same. Stress, taxi parking, pedestrian line, and not easy to go inside. Okay, we go into SM. Good afternoon. Oh. SM. Long time we not been in SM. Makimura ramen. So many people waiting in Makimura. Take a look, Shaira. Oh, happy dog. Puya Korea. Oh, Puya Korea. Mr. Frosty. Shaira, take a look. Usually in Mr. Frosty Saturday. Many people. Not many people now. Not so many people, really. I need to use jacket. Yes, today not same like before. Not many people in the same city Clark. Saturday, not many people. This is appliance. This one Samsung.
Good evening, sir.
Right.
In this one.
Yes, same. This. It's okay. This one is two colors. Okay, light. Yes. We already bought paint in Ace Hardware, and we will go to it first, and later we will take already paint when we finish in SM. Because Shaira hungry. Shaira, are you hungry? Where you want it? Huh? Food court?
We can take a look.
Okay. Promo now. Buy 6, take home 7. Cookies. Take a look. If promo many people want to buy. Take a look, Lion. So many people. Shaira, in the Philippines at promo, if promo have so many people always want to buy. Shaira bought for me.
For us.
For us. For us, okay. Because 2 pieces. For us, Shaira. But I will drink for us. Okay. Not cold now here. It's good, comfortable. Wow, already Yuki asking to pick up. Yuki call to you. This is for me. For Shaira. Shaira, where better? In Thailand or in SM? Philippines.
Philippines. They have different Thailand and but in Thailand right now it's so hot, but in Philippines it's not hot.
In the Philippines also so hot.
No?
Nighttime only not hot, but daytime very hot. It's 35, 33, 35 already. At nighttime 26. Shaira, of course, already hot.
But for me it's not hot.
Last day I've been in the roof. I fix roof. So hot outside. Roof is like in the, I don't know. You can cook egg, fry egg in the roof. Yes.
But why before I go outside it's not hot?
But in the roof, hot, metal.
You know what's the difference? Thailand are more humid.
Yes. Humidity.
Yes. But here it's like normal only hot.
Yeah.
And also the food, yes, they are same good. They are good, like delicious. But they have variant, like type of food. In
More choice.
Thailand, You can eat like you want more spicy, you can do it. You can eat here in the Philippines. You can eat like not spicy.
I don't know, but my opinion, in the Philippines more fry. People like more fry foods. In Thailand, maybe people like more spicy, same like Chinese people. I think because really everywhere I see people eat fried foods in the Philippines. But Thailand, it's not seen so many fry. Okay, let's eat first. We bought paint already. And going to... I go to Fields Avenue, Shaira, and you will wait me near Choking. Okay? Shaira don't want to go to Fields Avenue, but she will wait me.
And drink.
Drink. What you want drink? McDonald's? Where?
You can buy first because we need to turn inside.
You want to buy first in McDonald's, okay? Take a look even outside. And now 7:30. Usually so many people and heavy traffic. Really not so many people today. I don't know what happened. And parking empty. Shaira won't buy iced coffee, Shaira. Iced coffee chocolate you like.